Now we're gonna take this light rail at the entrance here. Okay. Many tours. You see those people they holding the board. And probably the tour guide. It's too crowded.
向中部走，前方到曾家园站到了，右侧车门打开前 ，Station is 曾家园 ，Doors will open on the right. For you.
So now I'm out of the hotel and go grab something, local food, for my dinner. But I'm not expected. It's raining now. I just checked the weather forecast. It's cloudy but not raining. But you know, the weather is always changing. It's not that heavy, right? But it's not that heavy. Let's take a walk. Let you guys explore the night of the Chongqing. This is Kuixinlou in Chongqing, and nearby even there is a hospital. And what looks this building like the ground level here is actually the 22nd floors of a residential building. So here is the place you might think you are on the ground. So this is where you think you might on the ground. There are even high buildings in front of you. And by right side, actually I'm walking on a bridge, and when you actually look down, so now here is 22 floor. So you can't just believe it. This whole city is built on the mountains and different layers. Chongqing is built on mountains, so streets exist at completely different heights. You can walk straight out of the plaza and suddenly find yourself thousands of meters above the road. It feels confusing at first, almost like the city is folded on itself, but that's the charm of Chongqing, a real vertical city. From the Daijia cliff walkway, I kept walking along the hillside. The path follows the cliff with great views of the city lights. Because it's raining a bit tonight, so you can see a lot of people selling umbrellas on the trail. Hongya Cave. So we're just going down. There's this mountain. You see down below there's some ferries. Have an overview of the beautiful night. There's too much people there. It's crowded. OK， 谢谢。Camera。As you walk from the trail onto the road, you will see many people holding tickets for boat tours. After a short walk, the glowing Hongyadong suddenly appears ahead, one of the most iconic night scenes in Chongqing. Since I've been here before, I won't join the crowd and took pictures here.
这条为交流侧，请在这边指定售票处购票登场。流程一般规范，不要参加。